Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be going over something that I'm really excited about, which is a stitch along that I'm doing. It's coming up in April, and it is a 4-day stitch along where we are going to play with Dorset Buttons. So if you took one of my Dorset Buttons Gone Wild, it's going to be a kind of continuation on that. It's where we are making a specific project, in this case, a case that you can put your rotary cutter in, or a pair of glasses, or so it's a rectangular shape. I've done fabric kits using 4 different linens, which is enough for 2 cases. These are the Pat Poly hand dyed. This is an ice dyed that I did, and this is a low immersion dyed linen. This is a microfiber lining. This is a cotton lining and enough wool for 1. So you have enough lining for 2, 1 and 2, and enough linen fabric for 1 and 2. And of course you can mix and match. In addition, I've given everyone enough of these fleece. These are the iron-on fleece interfacing. There are 2 of these in each fabric kit. The fabric kits vary in the colors that they use, so I'll show a couple of different iterations, but they all contain these things: the wool, the lining, and the linen. I'm doing a little intro video for all the people who sign up so that they can see what they should have prepped. And you get the design, which is exclusive to the workshop participants. There's a thread kit that you can purchase as well. Here are all the different threads that I'm going to use with my case. Aren't they beautiful? A lot of Steph Francis, a lot of Oriental linen from the thread gatherer. This is the Silk and Pearl and Aurora, as well as some silk ribbon. But it's really going to be fun. There's a woman who took my Dorset Button, the advanced Dorset Button Gone Wild class, and together with a variation on a rice bag design, she kind of took those 2 ideas and combined them. And I'll show a couple photos. I asked her if it was okay to show a couple of photos of what she's doing. But this is the idea for the 2 stitch along workshops that I'm giving. This one coming up in April, and the other one in July, where we take a Dorset button, but we're going to go wild with it. And not just with the Dorset button, but also in the way in which we're placing it. So we're really pushing the envelope with it and getting really creative. The idea is to take my design and my instructions as a kind of springboard to then go off. So I'm encouraging everyone who signs up to have other materials around: burlap, cheesecloth that you can hand dye, t-shirting, any kind of transparent fabric, any kind of mesh, anything that you can cut holes in and make into a more transparent material. If you have anything like painter's thread does this eyelash tape, it looks like this kind of thing. Steph Francis uses fuzzy tape. So we're going to be playing with all of those different materials. If you don't have those materials, that's okay. We're going to make do with other materials and really have fun. So this is going to be a great deal of fun. As I said, it's 4 days, and you should have a pretty close to finished project by the end of the 4 days. So it's an intensive, but we're going to have a blast. Using the Dorset button as our base to kind of go wild with that and make them into little works of art unto themselves, and then also in the way that we're going to place them on the case. So I'm really excited, and I hope some of you, I'm going to put the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video for you to click on and check out. It's on my website, this workshop. It's available now. There are spaces left. So if you're interested, go over there and sign up now before it gets sold out. And as I said, I made fabric kits as well as thread kits. You can see the thread kit as I'm speaking. It's really, really beautiful. Yeah, so go check it out. And I'm very excited. And I'd love to see all of you there. Thanks so much for watching. And until next time, let's keep stitching together.